Hi, my name is Stacy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here today. The purpose of today's tutorial is to show you a few quick hairstyles. So my first one is just a simple, cute go-to bandana. You can take a bandana from any store, H-E-B, not H-E-B, from Walmart, order it online. I know lots of different places sell them, but just take a bandana, roll it up, and just tie your hair back with it. Just bring it up, make a quick knot. This is actually how I had my hair today. I really like it. I wear my hair like this a lot. I wear it to work like this if you're running around. So that's your first quick, easy hairstyling tip. For our next tip, this one's also fun, something different. I'm going to take these clear little rubber bands, just these clear ones. We're going to make pigtails. How fun is that? So you're going to take one, get another clear rubber band, like that. Come in, pull your hair out a little bit. This one's super fun. You can also do this with just a ponytail. Saw it on The Real Housewives and I thought it was adorable. They actually had theirs in a ponytail. Okay, same thing real quick for the other side. Try to get your pigtails even if you can. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. We sure are. We went out and ran all sorts of errands. We had a fun little breakfast date. And then we ran errands together, went shopping. It's been a great day so far. So you can adjust these from the top or the bottom, pull them out however you'd like. Make your little poofs as big as or small as you want, but and you could even do a third one down here. Let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Really jazz it up. Uh-oh, that hair came out. Well, you just have to be careful when you're doing this. I don't know that I've ever actually tried to be, but it just seemed appropriate today. There you go. That's fun. Here, this one's easy enough to fix. If you have layers and stuff, which I can feel that some of my hair is shorter than the rest, that's likely why that happened. So there you go. That's another quick, fun hairstyle for you. Okay, so our next style tip for the day, a fun, quick, easy hairstyle. Let's do kind of a low ponytail. I'm going to comb my hair down, sweep it kind of low towards the top of my ear. I'm going to take one of these rubber bands. Okay, and then to dress it up, I'm going to grab a bobby pin. I'm using this bobby pin right here. Diane bobby pins, 2 inches in length. So for my blonde hair, I like to use these gold ones. But we're going to wrap the base of our ponytail just to jazz it up a little bit. If you're going to an event, ponytails are super popular. I was at a wedding yesterday and half the bridesmaids had curly ponytails with them wrapped. Or for work, I like to wear a ponytail and just wrap it with my straight hair. Either way, it looks nice. So take a little section of hair from underneath. If you really want to make the band look wider, take your rat tail comb and tease it, and then just kind of smooth out whichever side is gonna be on the top. So you have your hair and just wrap it really close to the base by the rubber band, and then wherever the end of your hair is, grab your bobby pin. I like to put the wavy side towards my hair. And you may have to use a couple of them, it just depends. And there you have it, a fancy little ponytail. Okay, so we just did the ponytail, and while we have it up, let's just do one more fun style with it. So let's just do an easy braid. Your regular easy braid. So we'll braid that to the end. I'm going to just grab one of my clear rubber bands that we used a while ago. I'm going to secure the end. Now, you can pull your braid out some. And you can wear it like that, or we can make it into a nice fun low button. So let's do that. Just tuck the very end under, and then take your bobby pins and secure around the edge. You can also do this with a fishtail braid or any other fun braids that you know. I've seen where some people will take their ponytail and make it into two different braids and then wrap them around differently. So whatever you want to do, just have fun with it. This would be another nice classic look that you could wear to a wedding, a holiday party, to work, whatever occasion you have coming up. Just secure the edge. And there you have it. Your fancy little braided bun. Okay, so for our next style, let's do a half up. This one's going to be a little bit more advanced, but we'll do a half up reverse French braid. So I'm going to take the hair right here in the middle. We call this the mohawk section. And I'm going to start right here in the front. And I'm going to do a reverse French braid. You can do a regular one too. I just kind of like the reverse one because it sticks up a little bit and it gives you that extra texture at the top. This is also a really cute, fun look. can just make it kind of sassy, be fun for a girls' night out, or maybe a date night, or an event of some sort. Braids are really popular right now, so you can't go wrong with a braid. And who doesn't love a half up, kind of fun, high little ponytail? It's taken me just a second, sorry guys. I'm used to having a big mirror to see, so I feel like I'm doing this kind of blindly. Okay, so I'm just going to braid it out a tiny bit, and I'm going to grab, of course, a clear rubber band. Okay, so I'm going to take my little ponytail and my rat tail comb. I'm just going to tease this a little bit. Okay, tease it a little bit. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to come in and smooth just the top side a tad bit. So it's kind of wild, kind of young, kind of fun. But there you go. There's another fun, quick hairstyle for you guys. Actually, let's see if we can turn this into a top knot. So I'm gonna make sure I have some teasing in here, because we need a nice little messy top knot. So I'm just gonna take my ends, kind of loop them around like this, very loosely. I want it to be messy. It's kind of the look I'm going for. Again, it's teased, so it gives us some nice fun volume. Just securing the edges with some bobby pins. You can let it stick up crazy. Who cares? This is supposed to be a fun updo. And you can kind of just manipulate it however you need to, meaning like pull it, twist it, turn it. So there you have it. There's a fun little half up top knot. Okay, so another easy fun hairstyle. Let's tease this and give it just a little bit of volume. Woo. I love volume, you guys. You will come to learn that if you don't already know that about me. So even let's jazz it up on the sides a little bit too. This is part of my big Texas hair. Love. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna just gently smooth this out a little bit. Okay, so this one's gonna be kind of half back. So I'm just gonna take this right up here at the top. I'm just gonna take my hair and pinch it. I am going to grab a bobby pin. I'm going to try to grab a bobby pin, so I keep dropping these. Ooh, I did not put that in very well. I can feel it. Let's try it again. Okay, so we have that one side. This hair up here is kind of a hot mess. Okay, so we want to comb it back. I'm leaving this little bit of hair down right here. and I'm pulling hair just back on the side, and I'm grabbing it and I'm bobby pinning the edges. Okay. So you can do that. That one feels a lot better. Okay, this hair on the top, you want to make sure you can tease it really good, but you can take your trusty hairspray and spray it so it stays back. So there you have it. Just a fun little half up, half back look to get the hair out of your face. And here's what it looks like from the back. I think the last one for today, we're just gonna do all down, but I'm just gonna re-emphasize how much I love volume and teasing in my Big Texas hair. So if you're wearing your hair down and you don't want it like necessarily flat on your head, there's a couple of ways you can do this. I will just do it all kind of in the center. It just depends. So I'm going to take this mohawk section right here, and I'm going to pull my hair straight up, take some hairspray, spray it right there at the base, right here where the hair meets the scalp. I'm going to tease my hair, so I'm going to take my teasing comb, I'm going to pull down 1, 2, 3, just going to do it a couple times. See, and then you get this nice, lovely big volume. And then I'm just going to do that a couple of times. I already have some teasing in my hair, so my comb's getting stuck. Okay, so we have all this fun volume. I'm gonna do a little bit right here at the side. It holds much better if you do hairspray, so just go ahead and spray it in there real quick. There. Just gonna do a little bit right there. I'm throwing stuff all around today. Call me Butterfingers. Okay, whoa. So we have this big mess, and I kind of think it's fabulous, but to tame it down a little bit, lightly take your brush or your comb, come in, so you can start lightly combing this down and back. Make sure you get it back here. Let's see. You have to work through a little bit of this teasing. And my hair is kind of fallen right here where my natural part is, so that is perfect. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, I love my Big Texas hair. This is how I get volume for the days, because I just really don't like it super flat on my head, but that's just my personal preference. I like to have volume, so that is how I do it. So I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please let me know any comments or questions you have down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you, and I hope you're enjoying the content I'm sharing, and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see that I can help you with. Hope you guys have a beautiful day.